So just like any other formal written method, I set out my top number. So I've got 6 hundreds, 9 tens, and 1 1. I always start at my ones column. So I need to do 1 subtract 9. Okay, so I'm going to take away 9 from this column. Whoa, hang on. I've only got 1. How can I take away 9 from this? Oh, I'm going to need to do some redistributing. So I'm going to have to move something from my tens into my ones so that I have enough. Now this is where I need to be careful that I don't make a mistake. So before I write anything in my ones column, I'm going to jump over to my tens column. How many do I have? 9 tens, or 90. I have 90 in total. So what I need to do is move 1 10 into my ones column. If I look at my tens column, I no longer have 9 tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in my tens column, I need to change this 9 to an 8, don't I? So let's just change that to an 8. 8. Okay, so that now says 8. And what I have done is changed my ones to actually having 11, haven't I? So I need to put my 10 there. So let's just change that to 11. My column method is ready to go. It says 11 subtract 9. But if I look at my place value chart, there is a 1 counter and a tens counter. Now that tens counter can't be in there. We need to exchange it for 10 individual ones. Let's do that now. So I need to cross out 9 place value counters here. Okay, let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. So I have 2 counters left. 1, 2. So 11 subtract 9 equals 2. So I need to write a 2 underneath in the equal sign. Now that I'm finished with my ones column, I move to my tens column. This one's pretty simple because it's 8 subtract 7. So I'd cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 1 10. So I have 10. So I would write a 1 here. 1. Okay, and then the next column, I'd go over to my hundreds column. So 6 subtract 1. So this is pretty easy. I only need to cross out 1. And how many do I have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 6 subtract 1 equals 5. You didn't even need to count that. You would have known. 6 subtract 1 equals 5. So the answer is 512. And that is how we do redistribution.